classmates. Velocity is special, you better hold it. In this course, you're gonna wanna go the distance. So if you can't integrate, then just forget it. That ain't what you want, that ain't what you want. Calculus what you want, calculus what you want.
First things first, we'll be starting with the limits and the properties, evaluating graphs analytically. Plug it in and factor them, and then you solve it graphically. Numerically, continuity, make sure you don't forget differentiability. Don't get confused with these. Just cause f is continuous doesn't mean it's gonna be differentiable. Let's see, watch out. Don't forget these limits have opposite signs, cause if you do, you'll be lying on the bathroom floor crying.
Hit me with that calculus. You cannot derive, you're a tourist. I be studying here with my classmates. So if you ain't gonna help, then just forget it.
That's good, Calvin, but you're forgetting something big, mate. If you want to do all this, you gotta know how to differentiate. Let Cam give you a quick lesson. He'll review all the types, cause if you don't know these, then, well, you're in for a pretty bumpy ride.
Okay, derivative of x to the n is n times x to the n minus 1. Easy good, cause that's just the basic stuff. Now the trig functions y from sine of x is cosine x. Get these straight, then you walk the halls, flexing with them checks. Comes the chain rule. Derivative of f of u is f from u times du over dx. Show your work, all the parts. Don't make it too complex, cause soon you're gonna have to integrate. Just reverse these steps.
Hit me with that calculus. If you cannot derive, you're a tourist. I'll be studying here with my classmates. Wait, this problem's still wrong.
Dude, you forgot to change the radians. You didn't even add a constant. Here, you guys want to get a 5? Hey, play that beat back real quick.
You keep wondering why you keep getting these wrong. It's cause you don't pay attention to the details. What you done?